Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Para sa personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, okay? So start na natin ang reading. So bago tayo magsimula, magre-ring lang ako ng bell. I-lower mo na lang ang iyong volume dahil maaaring medyo maging maingay para sa ito. Okay? Okay. So that is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start your reading. Ay, nakalimutan ko nga palang i-promote yung aking dalawang friends, si Jing Tarot Reader at saka si Pisces Palmist. Paki-follow na lang sila or paki-subscribe sa kanilang mga YouTube. Start na natin, guys. This is for Earth sign. For Earth sign. For Earth sign, please. For her Earth sign, please. Anong meron sa mga Earth sign? One last shuffle. This is love reading, guys, ha. Pwedeng maging ikaw to, pwedeng maging person mo. Ayan. Simulan na natin. Okay. Earth sign. Six of Coins is here. The Fool. Nakakita ko ng tulong. Sorry about that. Nakakita ko ng tulong na pwedeng I can see financial help na nakikita natin dito with the Six of Coins. And the Fool, maybe financial help regarding sa something na sinisimulan mo or gusto mong simulan. Kaya with the Seven of Swords, pwedeng may mga problema or kalungkutan ka nakaharap sa ngayon or whatever it is. Medyo pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nakakaramdam ng hiya or parang pagdistansya sa mga tao dahil hindi mo alam kung paano iharap ang sarili mo. Pwedeng ganun. Pero nakakita tayo ng tulong na ibibigay para sa'yo. And with the Fool, I feel like there's something na maaaring itong ibibigay na ito ay something na makakatulong talaga sa either pwedeng sinabi mo yung tungkol dito sa problema na ito, dito sa person na ito, or dito sa taong tutulong sa'yo, or kusa lang na parang maaaring nanalangin ka, ibinibigay sa'yo na ito ay talagang itutulong para sa'yo. Okay? Anyway, pagdating sa love, sino tong person na kakonect mo? For the sign of Earth sign, please. For the sign of Earth sign. Ano ang meron sa mga Earth sign, please? Sure, guys, angel guys. For the sign of Earth sign, please tell me. For the sign of Earth sign. For the sign of Earth sign. Okay. For the sign of Earth sign, you do have here the Eight of Coins, the Four of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. Ayan, dalawang number 4. Ay, actually, tatlo. This is the Four of Swords. Actually, sa isang tarot deck na ganito, 4 lang yung 4. And meron tayo dito 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, and the 4 of Swords. So, actually, that is an angel number for you, 444, tatlong 4, ano? Tapos, ang meron pa tayo nakita ditong 8 of Cups, which is 8 of Cups, and the 8 of Wands is also here. So, dalawang 8, no? technically, yung iba sa inyo, if you divide the 8 into 2, 4 pa rin yun eh. So, pwedeng laging nagpapakita sa yung ang angel number na 4 or 44, 444, or 4444, apat na 4. So, something to do with the number 4. Okay? And itong nakikita natin dito sa person na ito is I can see a stable person. You could be dealing with someone na very stable. Kaya lang, masyado siyang close ngayon. Kumbaga masyado siya sarado pagdating sa connection ninyo ngayon. So, might be hindi nagkakaroon ng maayos na communication or connection sa inyo. With the 8 of Cups, this person is thinking about the future. And I don't know, it feels like may situation na parang stuck itong person na to, na parang hindi naman niya ginusto na ma-stuck sa sitwasyon na yon. Parang ganun. Anyway, ano yung situation? Mamaya malalaman natin. Maaaring may mga messages mamaya for your person. Ano yung situation ninyo dalawa ng person na ito? Situation ninyo dalawa ng person na ito. Okay, for your situation, you do have your commitment, long-term relationship. Yeah, you could be in a relationship dito sa taong to. Kung may relasyon kayo, like what I've told you doon sa part ng communication, pwedeng hindi kayo masyadong nag-uusap or walang masyadong communication. Or, kung wala naman kayong relationship, for now, nakikita natin na you want more. And pwedeng, very cold. Nakikita mo may yellow dito. So, kung may relasyon kayo, very cold ang connection ninyo ng person na ito. Ito, yung iba sa inyo, ang energy is like you could be in a relationship with someone na walang emotions. Parang ganon. It's just that parang mga biglaan yung mga pangyayari. Or I feel like kulang yung messages eh. Kukuha pa ako. Kunin muna natin yung situation sa'yo. For Earth sign, please. You do have here threatened. And for your, like what I've told you, pwedeng ikaw ngayon ay nakakaranas ng kahihiyan sa sitwasyon mo or sa mga nangyayari sa'yo. At ang person nito, anxiety and roller coaster. So, may mga padalos-dalos na mga naging desisyon, aksyon. Medyo may takot yung person na ito. I feel like your person, kung may relationship kayo, this person is not happy with that relationship. Hindi siya happy. Kasi, masyadong nagkaroon ng excitement. Lahat, ang daming nangyari na mabilis na parang may times na gusto na lang niya mag-end, pero it's not yet over. Kung may relationship kayo, definitely, there's this long-term commitment sa inyong dalawa na kaya nangyayari dahil pwedeng may child or may anak, yung iba sa inyo It feels like karmic karmic relationship, karmic connection. Mm. The cards are stuck right now, so pwedeng that could be a sign that you could be stuck with this person. Emotion mo. Ano emotion mo para sa person? For some of you, pwedeng ikaw ay malakas ang sense of humor na tao, no? Page of Swords. Your emotions towards this person. The sun is here. So, tell me more. Knight of Wands. Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, alam mong masyado ka naging immature dito sa connection na ito, and that may nakikita natin na masaya ka naman sa kung ano man yung responsibilidad mo sa connection ninyo. So, kung may children, then maybe masaya ka dun sa children na yon. You love those children, especially dalawang knights yung nandito. So, nagpapakita ito ng like ibang taong involved sa connection ninyo. Okay. Pagdating sa person na ito, maybe medyo mahirap kasi pwedeng may mga expectation siya na hindi mo maibigay. Ito ang energy talaga, parang may relationship sa inyo. Pero kung wala, pwedeng take only what resonate. Then, ano yung emotion niya para sa'yo? Ano yung emotion niya para sa'yo? Ten of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Emotion niya para sa'yo, Ace of Swords, Knight of Wands. Ayan, parehong may Knight of Wands dito And the Moon. And the Ten of Cups is here. So, sabi ko nga pwedeng kung may ibang taong involved sa connection ninyo, which are nagpapakita as children, nandun yung pagmamahal. And this person, pwedeng pareho kayo nagpadalos-dalos dito Pareho kayo nagpadalos-dalos. I don't feel anything. Wala akong nararamdaman mula sa kanya. What I feel here is more on logical na tao. More on marami siyang iniisip, maraming new beginnings na gusto niya simulan sa ngayon. So, maaaring wala siyang masyadong focus pagdating sa'yo. Hindi siya nagfo-focus sa'yo or whatever. But whatever is the emotion here, nakikita natin na nandun yung commitment. Na oo, emotionally parang hindi natin kayang ibigay. Pero at least, ito na yung pinili natin kahit papano. Kailangan i-work out natin. Ayusin natin yung mga dapat ayusin. Okay? And you do have a realization. So, there's a realization dito sa connection na ito. And, you see, there's this cup here. So, sa tarot reading, yung Ace of Cups is all about love. Pero yun ay dapat punong-puno yung cup. Punong-puno, as in. Pero, as you can see, this is almost empty. Yun yung feeling ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay? I don't feel, kasi this is about emotions, no? Yung pinag-uusapan natin. Pero nakikita natin yung cup dito, it's almost wala. Walang laman. Okay? Kung meron man kakapiraso. Pero, kumbaga kung iinom ka ng tubig, yung kapiraso na hindi man lang makakarating hanggang lalamunan. Diba? So, it's not enough. The love is not enough. Hindi nga basta not enough Walang love akong nakikita dito. maybe there's commitment. Magkaiba kasi yun eh. Kasi pwede kang nasa isang relasyon ka na commitment lang yung meron. Pero yung emotions wala. Diba? Nagigets mo yun. So what will happen in the future for the both of you? The High Priestess is here at the bottom of the deck. The Page of Wands, Queen of Wands, and the Six of Swords. Page of Wands, ayan, parehong Page of Wands. King of Pentacles, and one more. I want to get one more card for you. For the side of your person, Three of Swords is here. Page of Cups. And then, ano yung future ninyo? You do have your Verge, about to reveal or confess. Cleansing is here. Communication, kung ngayon ay hindi masyado ang communication, in the future nakakita tayo ng magandang communication sa inyong dalawa. There's this feeling na pwedeng ikaw yung makakatulong para makapagbigay advice dito sa taong to, makapagbigay. I can see communication sa inyong dalawa, then pwedeng malaki yung may tulong mo sa kung ano yung mga magiging desisyon niya sa buhay niya. For me, it's like a support. The energy here is pwedeng matutulungan mo itong taong to through your support. Supportive words. So, gamitin mo lang yung supportive words na yun. Kasi nakakita tayo ng success dito sa person na ito, especially financially with the King of Pentacles. Pero, of course, ilabas mo lang din yung makakaya mo, like with the Queen of Wands, na matulungan itong person na ito, na mabigyan siya ng advice sa kung ano yung dapat gawin, ano yung mas magandang unahin, etc. Kasi yung person na ito is more on a person na talagang ipupush niya yung gusto niya. Pero kahit paano, kailangan niya din naman ng support. Okay? The Six of Swords is here. Yeah. And you have here the Three of Swords. Clarify the Three of Swords, please. Three of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. There's a possible confession or pwedeng may malaman ka tungkol sa person na ito na pwedeng itinatago niya sa'yo, na pwedeng may kinalaman sa third party situation. And actually, the Six of Swords, let me clarify what's with the Six of Swords. Ace of Wands and the Hermit, Virgo energy. I see this as an energy of parang, yan, Seven of Cups is here. Parang wala kang pakialam. Nandun yung pwedeng magalit ka in a way na kasi may commitment kayo. Pero parang wala kang pakialam. Alam mo yun? Okay, may malalaman ako sa kanya regarding third party. Or may makikita ko or something. Yung iba pwede kasing tapos na. Pero ngayon mo palang malalaman. Pero parang ngayon, parang hindi na masyadong ganon ka-issue para sa'yo. And I can see you being silent here. Tahimik lang. Parang papalagpasin mo lang kung ano man ito. Pwedeng siya mismo yung magsabi sa'yo or ikaw mismo makaalam kung ano ito. But I see this as something na hindi mo masyadong papansinin. And yeah, yun lang naman yung nakikita natin. And the Hermit is here. So you could be dealing with a Virgo. Ayan, dalawang Hermit yung nandito. Or another Virgo person is coming back. Pwedeng ganun. Could be a third party na magiging problema ng connection na ito. Pero nakikita natin yung paglalaylo mo or pananahimik mo pagdating dito. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.